talk to the rain, 'cause the rain don't tell me lies. I talk to the storm, 'cause the storm can sympathize. And I talk to the land, well, the land's always been true. And it's more than I could say for me and you. The air and breeze are with me. I don't feel so alone. And you just leave me empty. I've been dry to my bones, Lord. Let it roll, Lord, let it pour on down on me like I don't need no shelter from the storm. I talk to the birds, well, the birds gave me their word. And I talk to the trees, 'cause they know more than I've heard. And I talk to the breeze, 'cause I get so